Welcome to a video where we will learn how to graph logarithms using the graphing tool in MyOpenMath. Let's get started. Before we look at an actual problem from MyOpenMath, let's make sure we review some of the properties of the graph of the function y equals log base b of x, where b is any real number greater than 1. Remember that y equals log base b of x is equivalent to b to the y is equal to x. So if you have trouble figuring out the logarithmic values, just convert it to exponential form. Okay, let's go over the key properties of the graph. First of all, log base b of 1 is always 0. This tells me that this graph has an x-intercept at 1, 0. This graph also has a vertical asymptote at x equals 0 since log base b of 0 is undefined. Log base b of b itself is equal to 1 as long as b is a value greater than 1. That tells me that the point b1 is also on our graph. The domain for this function is 0 to infinity. The range for this function is all real numbers. Keep in mind that these are the properties of the parent function y equals log base b of x. If you start stretching, reflecting, or translating the graph, the location of the vertical asymptote and the x-intercept may change, but every logarithm will have a vertical asymptote and one x-intercept. Let's take a look at our problem from MyOpenMath. This question asks us to fill in the table of values for the function f of x is equal to 2 times log base 8 of x. We'll enter D and E if the answer does not exist. The first thing we need to do is evaluate our function at the values of x equals 0, 1, and 8. Let's go ahead and do that now. Let's take our function and evaluate it at x equals 0. F of 0 is equal to 2 times log base 8 of 0. Log base 8 of 0 is undefined, so this function is undefined when x equals 0. This is telling us that we have a vertical asymptote at x equals 0. Since our function is undefined when x equals 0, we need to enter D and E or does not exist for MyOpenMath. Now let's evaluate this function at x equals 1. F of 0 would be equal to 2 times log base 8 of 1. Log base 8 of 1 is 0, so this would be 2 times 0, which is just 0. That tells us that the point 1, 0 is on the graph. This is the x-intercept. We found that when x is 1, f was 0. Now let's evaluate this function when x is 8. F of 8 would be equal to 2 times log base 8 of 8. Log base 8 of 8 is 1, so this would be 2 times 1, which would be equal to 2. That tells us that the point 8, 2 is also on the graph. When x was 8, f was 2. Now we're ready to graph the logarithmic function. Start by clicking on the graphing tool. MyOpenMath will expect you to plot 3 things. First, it will expect you to plot the vertical asymptote, which we found at x equals 0. The second thing you will plot is the x-intercept, followed by a second point on the graph. Our second point was the point 8, 2. Once you've set that second point down, your graph is fixed. You're ready to check your work. In summary, when you're using the graphing tool in MyOpenMath for logarithmic functions, MyOpenMath expects you to plot 3 things in order: the vertical asymptote, the x-intercept, and one additional point on the function. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.